Make sure the tether is clear before we lower the array.
Copy that. Array clear, ready for deployment.
Keep the tension steady. Bring her up slowly.
She's clear. Rotating to the deck.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now, we're clear on the lift.
Look at all that rust. Okay, hand me the new one.
Here it is. Let's get it aligned before we tighten the screws.
Easy now, clear the mount. Okay, drop it.
Got it. Hand me the impact wrench.
Almost got her running like new again.
Yeah, the chassis work looks solid.
Best part of the day right here.
Subscribe for more interesting restorations like this.